I need to put the crop in because, if we don't put the crop in, there's going to be a big shortage of food, and we need food to be self-sustained. I mean, we respect the decisions they're making for the safety of Canadians and everything, but we got to have food. And I think without the farm workers, this is going to be a big mess.
Farmers and representatives of the agricultural industry are raising concerns about migrant workers being affected by border restrictions.
The need for these seasonal workers is actually essential for our food security and our local food production. Without them, we do not have enough Canadian workers to come and, like I said, seed, harvest, and tend to the crop.
They say these seasonal workers are integral to the industry and that the initial proposed bans could have threatened the nation's food supply.
When these workers were included in the restriction of entry into Canada because of COVID-19, there's very deep concern among the farming community for that.
Industry insiders have heard that the government will be lifting restrictions on migrant farm workers, but that the details haven't been finalized.
It's welcoming news. We do not have confirmation on that yet. We are working really hard with the governments. We appreciate our agriculture minister and his leadership here in Ontario, and the agriculture ministers across the other provinces, and our federal agriculture minister.
Agricultural organizations have said that they were notified that migrant workers possibly may now be allowed into the country, but there may be restrictions. Things like they may have to observe a 14-day self-isolation period, but the details have not been confirmed. And they maintain that that self-isolation could be done easily, as most of the seasonal workers live together in units like this, where they could remain self-isolated and provided for by the farmers.
I'm happy to hear that, because we could do that. That is possible, because they're on a farm here, on an isolated site, first of Biggin. We could bring their groceries to them. We can do their shopping. They don't really have to come out.
It is doable. We will do what needs to be done to be able to keep Canadians safe, to keep our workers safe, to keep other workers on the farm safe, and also to be able to have a secure supply of food grown here in the province and in Canada.
But while there are a few seasonal workers already here, the majority would have started arriving in the next couple of weeks. To keep updated on this story, you can go to our website, citynews.ca. In Holland Landing, Audra Brown, City News.